to be a serious video.
Yeah, this is extremely serious. Just wait till they see my dress.
If we can get past the priming part of your face, I would love to shove up your dress.
I didn't realize priming took so long.
It doesn't. It usually does.
Faye is cooking me dinner and wine.
This is a masterpiece.
Who needs a man? Not I.
Very important thing.
Abby, cheers me.
I'm cheersing.
I literally got sun today while waiting for her, and then
Whoa,
cheers my knuckle. Cheers.
We are still going. It's late.
Good morning. It is day 1 in Los Angeles. Actually, like, I don't know. Today blended together.
Well, yes.
So we were doing Abby's hair till like literally 3 a.m. last night. I'm not really even sure how long I was technically up for. It must have been over 24 hours. But anyways, we are up.
All for me.
Yes, we made her blonde.
Aren't I the lucky one?
Okay, well, I'll show you later. Yeah, don't crash. Anyways, we are on our way to Disneyland, of course. We are twinning, of course. What's new? But I can't like come. It's Christmas in the village or whatever. Christmas in the village. In the kingdom. No. Oh gosh, she's offended.
Slightly offended.
I've made her mad. But anyways, I'm so excited and yeah. Alright, so we just picked up Abby's credentials. Can't show them though, that's illegal. But she's officially credentialed. On our way into the unknown.
Down the middle of Main Street, USA. If you know that song, you're a real one.
It accidentally became the parade.
Help it, I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, look at those ears. Yeah. Why don't you just start? Yeah.
Merry Christmas. Look at the tree. Called Main Street Magic.
I'm just waiting for creepy Santa.
No.
Alright, Abby, what are we doing today?
Working.
Little AMA prep.
Just a little few touches on the research side of things. Make sure we're all up to date. Ready to go for the morning.
The only thing you need to know is Taylor Swift is the greatest artist
Decade of the year.
in the world. So I I didn't get a good intro this morning before I got Abby ready. It was just like a little crazy and rushed. So I'm gonna record it now. Yes, we got Abby ready this morning, like in about 2 hours. It actually was perfect timing. We went for like big Hollywood soft curls and then just like super glammed up makeup.
It's called Izzy in her element.
I'm probably gonna turn this down though.
Yeah. I can Uber Eats a Starbucks. Is that boring?
What do you want? It's your day. It's your morning.
Should I brush my teeth now? No, dude. Camera.
Oh wait,
stop
focus.
focusing.
There it goes.
Oh, did you show him what it was?
Yeah.
This is to freeze my face.
Maybe you should do my voiceovers.
Yes, I could
You're a
definitely
lot more
do your
entertaining
voiceover.
than I am.
So first I'm gonna put on this cream and it really helps my makeup look good. Right, I'm getting ready.
It's not on me.
Need to know.
All the information.
Abby, bye.
And the winners are voted entirely by fans, which means that we will be bringing you all of your favorites. In the words of Taylor Swift, are you ready for it?
Are you ready? Stay tuned.
Here's to you being the best makeup artist and the best stylist and the best sister in the whole wide world. I love you. I couldn't do a single thing in the world without you. Like pay my rent.
such a fun weekend with my sister. I don't get to see her enough, so I come out here all the time. So one day, hopefully, I'm here with her all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram. I actually changed my username. It's Glam by Isabel now. Yeah, I'm going by my full name now. Not really, but you know, it sounds prettier. So let me know what you want to see next. Go ahead and give this a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.